Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on eBay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ebay.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for eBay. If you see the sign in button at the top left corner, you will need to click on it and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into your homepage, if you wish to change your registered phone number, click on your username at the top left corner and then click on Account Settings. Now, from the Account Settings page, click on Personal Information and verify your identity by entering your password. You will then see your account information. Underneath Contact Info, you will see your email address as well as phone number. Click on the Edit button alongside your phone number and you will be asked to enter your desired new phone. Type in your desired new phone number and then click on the Save button, and you will be asked to check your inbox to find the verification code. Just type in the given verification code that you see within SMS and then click on the Confirm button and your phone number will be changed on your eBay account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your phone number on eBay. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.